Rahul says, hello from Singapore. Good to see you, international audience. He says, just on gold and silver, does Rick think that the time to invest in junior exploration plays is now behind us and we should be rotating money into companies at another stage like developers and senior producers, or out of the sector entirely?
That really depends on the level of existing exposure you have and on the amount of work that you want to do. I would take issue with the phrase investing in juniors. I don't think you do that. I think you speculate on juniors. And I think you need to decide before you focus on the juniors whether or not you're suitable. How hard do you want to work? How much money can you afford to lose? What are your time frames? And how much volatility can you stomach? Because I had a huge position in juniors, sold a quarter of my junior position in October and put that money, or at least half that money, back into the seniors. Traditionally, that's the wrong strategy in a bull market. Traditionally, the money in a bull market goes from the best of the best down to the rest, finally to the juniors. I am not adding any more money to the junior sector. What I am doing is rotating out of successful and unsuccessful efforts into stocks that I believe are cheaper. But I would caution the listeners here not to buy more juniors than corresponds with the number of hours per month that you're prepared to spend studying them. I would tell people listening to the call that if you haven't suffered through the course here, Introduction to Natural Resource Investing, at the Real Classroom, that you skip the junior sector entirely. If you aren't willing to do the work, don't risk the money.